Most people believe you need a massive following on social media to publish a bestseller. But here's the truth. Thousands of everyday authors have published bestsellers on Amazon with 0 followers. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it's done. The step-by-step process that turns a brand new author with no audience into someone whose book rises to the top of the charts. Sound good? Let's dive right in. Now first, why followers don't equal sales. So let's clear up the myth. Having followers doesn't guarantee book sales. How many times have you seen someone with a huge social media following launch a book and then it barely sells? On the other hand, there are authors with no online presence who quietly rack up thousands of dollars in sales on Amazon. The reason? It's simple. Followers are not the same as buyers. Social media is all about attention. Amazon is all about search intent. People on Amazon are already looking for books to buy, which means you don't need a following, you just need visibility in the right places. So let's dive in. Step 1, researching demand. Bestsellers are not created out of thin air. They're built on demand. Go to Amazon and search your book topic. Look at the autocomplete suggestions. Those are real searches from real readers. Then check the bestsellers in your category. Which topics are hot and which gaps can you fill? Now the goal isn't to copy. It's to position your book where demand already exists. This is how even a first-time author with no followers can tap directly into ready-made traffic. So step 2, crafting irresistible packaging. Once you know your niche, the next step is packaging. And packaging has 3 parts. Number 1, your title and subtitle that use strong keywords while promising a clear benefit. Number 2, cover design that looks cinematic and professional, not homemade. And finally, number 3, description that reads like a sales page, not a high school book report. Remember this, people don't buy books, they buy outcomes. Your title, cover, and description must answer this question: why should I buy this book right now? If you nail that, you don't need followers to get sales. So step 3, launch momentum. The Amazon algorithm loves momentum. When your book launches, your goal is to get a spike of book sales and reviews in the first week. That signals to Amazon this book is hot. Now, how do you do that without followers? Ask friends, family, or even professional readers to grab a copy and leave an honest review. Number 2, price your book competitively at launch, even as low as 99 cents for digital to lower the barrier. Number 3, promote inside of Facebook groups, forums, and communities where your topic is already being discussed. You don't need thousands of buyers. You just need enough to trigger Amazon's recommendation engine. Now finally, step 4, building a catalog. One book can be a hit, but what makes it sustainable is a catalog. Think of each book as a doorway. Someone finds your first book, loves it, and then looks for what else you've written. If you have 2, 3, 5 books, your sales multiply without needing followers at all. This is why consistent publishing, even at a modest pace, outperforms trying to go viral on social media. So finally, the real secret is having smart systems. The real secret to becoming a bestseller without followers is building systems, research systems, packaging systems, even launch systems. Once you know how to repeat this process, you can launch books again and again, having each one stack on the last. And if you want my complete system, the exact AI workflows, publishing checklists, and strategies that I personally use to turn manuscripts into bestsellers, I teach it all inside my full publishing course. The link is below if you're ready to take the next step. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.